This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Start building your dream home today. Quality new construction in desirable Michaels Woods. Choose all of your finishes to suit your style. Open concept floor plan with first floor guest suite and private bathroom. Chef's kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances and pendant and recessed lighting. Attractive luxury vinyl flooring throughout the first floor and all bathrooms. Covered front porch. Rear concrete patio. Convenient access to interstates, bases, shipyard, nature parks, shopping and restaurants. All new homes include a 1-year builder's warranty. Delivery summer 2025. There are a limited number of lots, so call today. December 23, 2024 for more information.